Oh! What's up, guys? Today is October 14th, and you know what that means. We have less than 48 hours until the GoPro 9 giveaway. Let's go inside. Yo, what are you doing with those?
These, man, I was checking out. They're pretty cool. Can I have one?
Did you enter in the giveaway?
What giveaway?
Bro, you gotta click up here to follow the rules.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
all right.
Get this back to me. This ain't yours, all right? This belongs to them. Until you enter, you can't get one of these.
Oh, okay, all right. I'm gonna enter today.
You better enter today.
Yeah.
Yo, you hungry?
Yeah, I'm actually pretty hungry.
Want a smoothie?
Yeah, let's go ahead, sounds good.
Let's get a smoothie. If you don't win this week, don't worry about it. We're gonna be doing our second giveaway on December 1st, so there's still a chance. So, there are 7 ways to enter. If you're not sure how to enter, just click up here to watch the video on how to enter. So good. All right, guys, good luck on Friday. And don't forget to check out that video for all the different ways to enter. You still looking at those GoPros?
Yeah, man, look at all these cool features. Like voice control, wow.
I hope you enter, all right?
Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm in there.